Welcome to this video guide on how to conduct a comprehensive rooftop solar site survey. Whether you're a solar sales consultant or a rooftop solar installer, understanding the importance of a site survey and how to use the associated documentation is essential for successfully installing a rooftop solar project. In this guide, we'll walk you through the entire process, from discussing project requirements to presenting a detailed site survey report to your customer. At the end of this video you will also get a detailed site survey guide and a checklist. So, please stick till the end. We will be discussing the significance and importance of a site survey. I would recommend pausing the video and getting a pen and a notebook, just in case you would like to take a few notes. Let's start with understanding the purpose of a rooftop solar site survey. So, what's the purpose of a rooftop solar site survey? Well, it's all about setting the foundation for a successful solar installation. By gathering accurate data about the property, shading patterns, and other relevant factors, you're able to design a solar system that maximizes energy production while addressing potential challenges. Now, let's move on to discussing the project requirements with the customer. Before you even step onto the roof, it's crucial to have a clear conversation about the customer's energy goals, budget constraints, aesthetic preferences, and any other specific needs they might have. This ensures that the entire survey process is tailored to meet their unique requirements. Here is the checklist for sub-points. Understand the customer's energy goals and aspirations. Discuss budget constraints and provide cost-related insights. Address aesthetic considerations to ensure visual harmony. Set performance expectations based on solar potential. Inform about available incentives and rebates. Explain the impact of grid connection and net metering. Discuss maintenance, warranties, and system longevity. Provide an overview of the installation timeline. Explore monitoring and additional service options. Address any customer questions or concerns. Once you've had that crucial discussion, it's time to obtain permission to access the roof. We've prepared a document that you can use for this purpose. This document can be downloaded as a part of the site survey ebook. By signing this document, the customer grants you permission to conduct the site survey on their property. This document outlines the survey details, safety precautions, and your commitment to ensuring a secure process. It's important to address any safety concerns the customer might have and emphasize that this permission doesn't obligate them to proceed with the installation. This also helps in covering for insurance in case of any mishaps. Now coming to actually conducting the site survey. With permission secured, it's time to hit the roof, quite literally. Armed with your measuring tape, laser distance measurer, and other necessary tools, you'll start by documenting the roof's dimensions, orientation, and shading sources. You'll also assess the roof's structural integrity and electrical infrastructure to ensure a seamless integration with the solar system. Next point, documenting findings and generating the report. As you gather data, it's important to document your findings thoroughly. Take clear photographs of the roof, obstacles, and shading sources. Utilize a tool like Solar Labs to evaluate the sun's movement, shadow analysis, and its impact on energy production. After compiling all the data, it's time to generate a comprehensive site survey report. Here is a checklist for site survey report contents. Project information and introduction. Detailed site description and existing conditions. Solar path analysis results and shading patterns. Roof structure, condition, and electrical assessment. System design considerations and performance estimates. Specific customer recommendations and project proposal summary. After completing the site survey, it's time to present the site survey report. Armed with your comprehensive site survey report, you're ready to meet with the customer again. This report is a powerful tool that communicates the survey findings, design considerations, and potential challenges. It's the bridge that connects the technical aspects of the survey with the customer's goals and expectations. The survey report sets the stage for collaborative decision-making. With the customer's input, you'll refine the system design, address concerns, and tailor the proposal to their needs. This collaborative approach ensures that the final solar installation aligns perfectly with their vision. And there you have it. A comprehensive rooftop solar site survey is the foundation of a successful solar installation. By discussing project requirements, obtaining permission, conducting a thorough survey, and presenting a detailed report, you're well on your way to empowering customers with the benefits of solar energy. Remember, transparency, collaboration, and accurate data make all the difference in turning rooftops into clean energy powerhouses. Best of luck for all your future site surveys. I hope this helped. You can download the entire site survey S.O.P guide and checklist with the link shared with this video. Can't find the link? Drop me a message on LinkedIn at Amithusu. Thank you. If you like the content, please like, share and comment.